for today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you my everyday dewy makeup look with a little bit of skincare before yung makeup because my skin needs some skincare love. Okay, it's dull, it's dry, like nararamdaman ko nagtatag yung skin ko and it's not really healthy. At saka ang dami kong marks sa skin. I mean, this is not the worst skin. Okay, this is not my worst skin, pero hindi ko talaga feel yung skin ko right now. Ang dami kong marks because nagkaroon ako ng skincare disaster last week. May ginamit akong parang tinted sunscreen to sobrang nag-breakout yung skin ko. Ang dami kong bumps na whiteheads, yung mga malapit na maging pimples. And because of that skincare disaster, lately, ang ginagamit kong skincare products ay ang aking Korean skincare routine. And ayun yung share ko today sa ating skincare part. If you wanna proceed sa makeup part, punta na kayo doon. Iniintay niya na kayo. Pero if you wanna know the skincare products na naka-help sa aking skin na mag-revive and rejuvenate, charot, tsaka yung mga glowy-glowy and everything, please keep on watching. So all of the skincare products na ginagamit ko right now is from COMMONLABS. So COMMONLABS is a Korean skincare brand that focuses on vitamins pagdating sa skincare products nila. Meron silang mga products that focuses on vitamin C, vitamin C, meron tayong triple vita na merong vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin E, and meron ding vitamin E. Ito yung microneedle spot cream. Mamaya i-explain ko sa inyo lahat yan. So it's very obvious that they focus on vitamins because this is the key anti-aging ingredient to strengthen the foundations of the skin. And lately kasi, nararamdaman ko na talaga yung effects ng aging sa skin ko. I mean, no joke, 22 pa lang ako and I use sunscreen din naman. Pero you know, makikita mo lang talaga yung lines, yung dullness ng skin. I mean, ang OA, pero sabi talaga na as early as 20 years old, makikita mo na yung effects ng aging sa skin mo. Kung hindi mo maayos na may muta ako, kung hindi maayos yung pag-aalaga mo sa skin mo. So, in-apply ko lang itong vitamin C Glow Boosting Face Mask. This is great, guys. As you can see, meron siyang mga buo-buong lemon peels. This contains lemon peel powder, AHA, BHA, and PHA, pure vitamin C, and natural botanical extract to remove dead skin cells. Sis, gusto ko to guys. Actually, every other day mo siya gagamitin. So, I've been using it every other day. Kung pwede nga lang everyday ko siya gagamitin. Use this for 5 to 10 minutes and then rinse it out. Sobrang refreshing ng feeling mo after. So, gagamitin mo to after mo mag-cleanse ng face, before the toners and all the skincare and everything. So, before you rinse it out, pwede mong i-massage ang face mo in circular motions like this. Use your ring finger because this is the weakest finger that you have. And bawasan nyo na rin yung pagiging harsh nyo sa face nyo, yung as in rub na ganon. Ako, as much as possible, hindi ko na talaga nira-rub. Either pat or gentle wipe lang, ganon. So, this is what my skin looks like kapag na-rinse out na ang ating face mask. Sobrang glowing at feeling ko sobrang nabuhay yung skin ko. And it feels super smooth. Hindi pa siya super supple. Gusto ko yung supple, pero hindi pa siya supple. Smooth pa lang siya. So, next, we're gonna be using the Triple Vita Balancing Toner. This has vitamin B, vitamin C, and vitamin E to strengthen the barrier of the skin. So, I'm gonna apply some sa aking hands, and then I'm gonna pat it down sa aking face. This toner also has hyaluronic acid to keep your skin hydrated and supple. Meron din itong propolis extract for tired and dull skin. So, it's not supposed to cleanse. It's supposed to bring nutrients back onto your skin. So, you just have to pat. So, this one specifically, I super love kasi nga ang dami niyang vitamins, ang dami niyang ingredients na makakatulong sa skin mo, and it feels supple na ng a little bit yung skin ko. Medyo tight na yung feeling ng skin ko at medyo nag-glow-glow na siya, diba? So, next one, up to my favorite skincare product from COMMONLABS. This is the Vitamin C Brightening Gel Cream. Favorite ko to the point na dalawa na yung ganito ko. Meron akong extra dito. Kapag naghihingi yung kapatid ko na, ate, meron ka bang face mask dyan na pwede kong gamitin after ko mag-peel off mask? Ito yung binibigay ko sa kanya. So, this has full vitamin C. This is light textured, easily absorbed by the skin, so you don't have to worry na malagkit sa skin. No, it's not. You can use this at daytime tulad ng ginagawa ko ngayon, and you can use this at nighttime. Just layer it up para maging overnight mask mo siya. Super love ko to guys. Super hydrating niya at super bango niya. It smells like orange. Like halos lahat ng ginagamit kong skincare ngayon from COMMONLABS, amoy mandarin orange. May ganun siyang scent. Habang hinihintay natin ma-absorb ito ng skin ko, I'm gonna share with you guys the new product that I've been trying and I've been loving for the past week. This is the Vitamin E Micro Needle Spot Cream from COMMONLABS. Micro Needle Spot Cream. What is that? So, this is a spot care treatment na meron siyang micro needles na hindi mo makikita. Huwag kayong matakot, okay? Huwag kayong easy lang, relax. So, it looks like this. Meron siyang pump and you're gonna pump out the cream. It looks like a normal cream, okay? Ilalagay mo siya sa skin mo. Right now, hindi ko siya malalagay sa skin ko because you're supposed to put this sa face mo every 2 to 3 days. So, I'm gonna explain that later. So, hindi ko siya mapapakita right now sa inyo kasi kakagamit ko lang sa kanya kahapon. So, this cream has micro needles. Hindi mo siya makikita. You don't have to worry about it. Mararamdaman mo lang siya sa skin mo. So, usually, nilalagay ko to sa aking mga active spots na right now, halos wala na because of this. So, this will help sa mga active pimples or sa marks nyo, sa scars nyo, sa skin nyo. This will help. Kasi diba yung micro needle, ayun talaga yung point niya for the scars and marks. So, na first time ko itong ginamit ko siya ng gabi and then kinabukasan, nagwash ako ng face ko, diba? Tapos naramdaman ko na, ano yun? Bakit may tumutusok? And yun pala, dahil yun dito. Pag nag-absorb na to sa skin mo, tapos tinouch mo yung face mo, dun mo mararamdaman yung micro needle something. So, wag na wag mo siyang i-apply using your fingers kasi kakalat yung micro needle sa buong mukha mo. And don't use this kapag mag-makeup kayo tulad ng gagawin ko ngayon kaya hindi ko siya mapakita sa inyo. And ayun nga, as I've said, use this after 2 to 3 days from your last use because yung microneedles, nagsistay siya sa skin mo up to 70 hours. Pero don't worry kasi ako naman, hindi ko naramdaman yung microneedles for the whole 70 hours. Naramdaman ko lang siya yung unang touch ko lang sa skin ko. Yun lang, nung naghilamos ako. And then after nun, hindi ko na naramdaman. So this is very effective for me. If you're gonna use it, just remember to follow instructions, okay? Use it after 2 to 3 days para hindi siya super harsh sa skin mo. Kasi so super effective niya, parang gugustuhin mo siyang gamitin everyday, pero don't. Okay? Wag. So, my skin is back to oily skin. Kasi kapag malamig, kapag mga December, gano'n, nagiging normal to oily skin ako. Pero now, since officially summer na, officially na rin oily skin na naman ako, no? So, this is my favorite out of all na ginamit ko dito. This is the Vitamin Brightening Gel Cream. Like, I super love. I super recommend. Super love talaga. So, before tayo mag-start doon sa ating makeup, maglalagay muna ako ng SPF, ng sunscreen because sunscreen is life. So, again, just pat this on your face and on your neck. Don't forget your neck. Kapag maglalagay kayo ng moisturizer, ng overnight face mask, maglalagay kayo ng sunscreen sa face niya, maglagay din kayo sa neck. If ever you have to spread it around, use your ring finger para light lang ang pressure sa skin. For the makeup, mag-start tayo sa brows. Just do your usual everyday makeup kung ano mang ginagawa niyo. I just have a little steps pagdating dito sa makeup. And also, most of the products that I'm gonna be using is from Sunny's. But you can use what you have, okay? Hindi nyo kailangan gamitin kung ano yung ginagamit ko dito. Use your favorite brand, kung ano meron ka dyan. So right now, ginagamit ko lang itong Sunny's Life Brow Skinny Pencil in Ash Brown for my brows. Guys, did you ba napapansin? 4K na ang ating video quality. Yes, so kita-kita nyo na lahat ng pores ko. Wala na akong maitatago sa inyo mga sis. At saka sinadya ko talagang daytime tayo mag-shoot, no? Para makita nyo yung mga pores and everything. Lahat ng mga hinanakit ko dyan sa aking face. Lahat ng stress. So I'm just cleaning the edges of my brows using my finger. Because tinatamad mag-concealer ang atin yung sa brows. Next, gagamitin ko lang itong Life Brow Grooming Gel, also in Ash Brown. And using brow mascaras will really help your brows to look natural. Kasi mawawala yung pagka-black ng brows mo. So, hindi siya ganun ka-bold. So, as you can see, parang mas nag-tone down yung kulay ng kilay. I'm just curling my lashes to prepare sa ating mascara. And I really love my lashes right now. Ang haba niya, sis. Actually, gusto ko na nga ulit magpa-eyelash extensions. Pero na-appreciate ko pa ang aking natural na pilik mata right now. So, I'm gonna use my K Palette One Day Lash Up Silky Volume Mascara. This is one of my favorites, okay? Tingnan nyo. Look at my lashes before. So, I'm gonna apply one coat. One dip is equal to one coat. So, if you're gonna see yung ibang tao na ganito ng ganito sa lashes nila, sasabihin one coat. Because it's one coat. Kasi one dip lang siya dun sa mascara. So, lumagpas na siya, no? But, look at my lashes. It looks natural. It looks natural pero sobrang nabuhay at nakita yung eyes ko, sis. Tapos, pwede mo pang dagdagan yung tip ng lashes mo para humaba siya. Pero I super love this. As in super love. If you prefer yung natural looking lashes, I recommend this, guys. This is kinda expensive, but you know, this is worth it. Anyway, I'm gonna use the Sunny's Face Air Blush in Moon. Ito yung gagamitin ko for my blush today. I'm also gonna apply this sa aking eyelids for eyeshadow. Next one, meron tayong extra dewiness step dito. If you don't have time to do all the skincare prepping na ginawa ko kanina, this is your best friend. Kahit anong liquid luminizer. So, this is the Sunny's Face Face Glass in Barbarella. Ito yung luminizer nila. Just put a little bit sa inyong cheekbones right here. And you can see, oh, sis. Ito yung wala and ito yung meron. Diba? Para wala silang pinagkaiba kasi dewy na rin to. Pero mas makintab to, sis. At saka mas glass skin talaga siya. Like, mas dewy siya. I love this. Malalagay din ako sa nose ko because, you know, my nose is tiny and medyo pango. So, there. So, for the lips, I'm gonna be using the lip dip in Peachy, kinda. Para mukha tayong fresh. Next one, I'm gonna be setting my face with powder. Yes, magsiset ako ng face ng powder kahit gusto ko yung dewy. Kahit gusto ko yung dewy finish because hindi ako nag-concealer. Walang kahit anong concealer, walang foundation kanina. Just to even out my skin tone. I'm gonna be using my Squad Press Powder. This is in the shade Warm Beige. My favorite. As you can see, nag-hit pa na ako. And just a tiny bit. So just pat the powder on your skin para maset lang ang ating face. And guys, you don't have to be afraid to use powder kung gusto nyo yung dewy skin. Okay, ganun kasi yung ginagawa ko dati. Hindi ako nagpa-powder. Parang hindi ko sineset yung foundation ko. And ang lagkit niya, sis. Kahit nagsiset yung foundation after ko mag-makeup, kapag pinagpawisan na ako, kapag lumabas ako ng bahay, ang icky ng feeling, ganun. So, don't worry, you can always set your face with a powder. Kaya nga ginawa ng mga beauty brands ang facial mist. Kaya meron tayong mga mist ngayon kasi ayun yung dahilan. Kung meron kang full face of full coverage, makeup underneath, pero gusto mo pa rin yung dewy skin, this is your best friend. So today, I'm gonna be using my Alana Glass Skin Glow Cooling Facial Spray. As you can see, sobrang konti niya na lang, sis. Because I super love this. I super love this. Masiset na nito yung makeup mo and mabibigay niya pa yung glow na gusto mo. I mean, not much of a difference dyan sa camera. Pero, you know, mararamdaman mo siya in real life. Meron siyang mga gold specks. Hindi naman specs na makikita mo like glitters. Meron siyang gold transition something. It looks really good sa skin. And this is the final look. Wait lang, meron pa pala akong hairpins. Hindi pa pala yun yung final look. Wait lang. So this is our final look. Yes. Look at my skin, so dewy. Look at it. It's so healthy. It's so dewy. It looks plump. It looks healthy. It's glowing. Yes. So as usual, lalagay ko lahat ng links sa description box below. Lahat ng details sa lahat ng ginamit ko sa video na ito nasa description box below. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. And please tag me if ever nagagawin nyo tong makeup look na to sa Instagram, sa Facebook, sa TikTok, sa kung saan-saan. You can follow me sa aking mga social media platforms at Sanchez with 5Ds. Parang ganun yung outro. Ayun yung outro ko dati, di ba? Don't forget to follow me on all my social media handles at Sanchez with 5Ds. Oh! Okay, medyo nostalgic. Nostalgic? Ano naman, ilang dekada hindi ginawa. Pero ayun lang guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like this video if you like it. Comment anything sa comment section below. Ayun lang, thank you so much for watching and I will see you on my next one.